Hello, good day. My name is Cherry Galorio Lopez. I am a certified caregiver. I am 38 years old. I am single. I have 18 years old son. I have work experience in Doha, Qatar for 10 years doing a child care. I prepared meals for children and did house chores, bath and groomed children when needed, and assisted them during bedtime and also when they were sick. Administered first aid and daily medications required. Engaged with children in some educational and fun activities. Maintained child-friendly and safe environments. Encourage good behavior through positive reinforcement methods. I took care of two beautiful angels, the newborn and the 3 years old, the first time I was with them and with their mother. And I have also a time management skill, attention to detail, trustworthiness, and honesty. I am good at cooking, elderly caring, and also at children caring. And hope to see you soon. Have a good day.